Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at the M90 earbuds that I've got available for sale in our various e-commerce stores. If you're interested in one of these, I'll leave a link in the description so you can have a look at them. Before we go on with the video, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channels. Let's have a look into these earbuds. So they don't come in a box, they do come in a plastic packing just like this. And I'm going to open the plastic packing. In the plastic packing, you've got a docking station for charging your earbuds. You've got some earbuds here, as well as a USB charging cable that comes included, and you've got an instruction manual as well. And of course, you do have the earbuds here that come in the plastic packing as well. So this is what you've got. I'm going to just take away the charging cable as well as the extra earbuds. So the manual comes in English, as you can see here. It's got some of the features and instructions, etc. But let's have a quick look here into the earbuds themselves. So the earbuds themselves, they look pretty nice. They are very, very light. They do have indication here of right and left. And also you can see here it serves where the pins will connect to, and this is what they look like. And let's have a look here as to the docking for you to charge your earbuds. And you open the dockings as such for you to charge your earbuds. So I'm going to place the earbuds in the charging dock. So the first one here will be the left. So I'm just placing on the left hand side there. They've got a magnet so they can charge, and I'm going to place the right one there, and they are currently charging, as you can see. So this docking station does have a battery enclosed. Here you can see the display of your charging status. You can also see the percentage of battery available for you to charge your earphones. So if you're on the go, if you're traveling, if you're seeing a customer, or just enjoying yourself, going out for a run, etc., and you need to have a quick charge, you just place the earbuds inside the charging case and they start charging straight away. So it looks pretty neat, isn't it? If you want to plug in your dock to a wall charger, you can use the provided USB cable. Just connect it here on the USB connector on the side of the case, and it will start charging the battery that it comes inclusive with it. These earbuds, they look pretty cool. The case is pretty nice. As for specifications, so the Bluetooth frequency is 2.4 gigahertz. The Bluetooth transmission distance is between 10 to 15 meters. The case battery capacity 40 milliamps. And the standby time is 150 hours. The playback and talk time is 4 hours, and the charging capacity is 1200 milliamps. In terms of operation, you can tap, for example, on the left earbud for you to rewind or to go to the previous track. And if you want to play the next track of your music, you can press on the right earbud. To play or pause music, you just do a single tap on the right hand side, for example, and that will either stop or play your music. If you are to answer a phone call, so you're getting a phone call through your phone, you want to answer it, just tap once on the right earbud and that will answer your phone. And if you want to disconnect, just tap once again and it will disconnect. If you want to reject a call, tap twice and that will then reject the phone call. Very, very simple to use. It does have Siri function. You can use Siri with these as well. And to use Siri, you just press for 3 seconds and that will now switch to Siri. So let's now go ahead and pair these with a smartphone. So we've got the phone here. Okay, so we've got our phone powered up, and I'm going to go over to the settings, and we've got Bluetooth. In this case, it's off. I'm going to turn on Bluetooth. Then I'm going to verify the Bluetooth devices that are currently available. More settings, so I can go into pairing mode. It's going to search for available Bluetooth devices so I can pair. So it's now searching for available devices. Okay, so I'm going to remove the earbuds from the case as such, and I'm going to tap here for a few seconds and this will go into pairing mode. Okay, so it's now in pairing mode, as you can see here, so it's flashing red and blue. And I'm going to search for available devices. So they are both flashing. And here we go, M90 Pro. I'm going to tap on M90 Pro on my phone. And it asks if I want to pair. Yes, I want to pair. It's connecting. So it's now connected. I don't need to pair the other one. I just need to pair one of them, but both will be paired as well. So I am going now to test it. So we've got the left earbuds over here, and I'm going to test the right earbud. Okay, so they are both in my ears right now. And let's go back here. I'm just going to open a video, and we will now test a video. So let me open here, for example, YouTube. And I'm going to open one of my videos. So here we go, the cooling fan. Okay, and it's now playing on the earbuds. Okay, so it's playing on my earbuds right now. So it's pretty nice. The quality is alright. It's not that bad. Depending on your ear, the earbuds, they do fit pretty well. Of course, if you are riding a bicycle or walking, you won't feel much pressure in terms of it falling. If you are running, so you just need to be careful that they don't fall. But otherwise, it works pretty well without any issues. So it's currently paired and it's working fine. So this is it in terms of this earbuds. So as I mentioned, they are currently available for sale in the various e-commerce stores. I'll leave a link in the description so you can have a quick look at them if you're interested. Please do leave any questions in the comment sections below. And this is it. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.